Never a dull day. Big acquisition story breaking this morning, and we'll continue to get you perspective, get you a couple of analyst reactions and experts as well as we go along. But we got markets to track. It's absolutely flat. So 24,760 is where the Nifty is opening at. You got the Nifty Bank, which is up about 0.13%, 51,893. And you got the Sensex, which is starting absolutely flat as well. Mid-cap index is up about 0.14%. And that was where there was the crunching fall. You got the first reactions on Ambuja, which is it ticked in the green and then ticked back into the red. But I think the name to watch, of course, is Orient. And that'll also come up on your screens. A quick look and, then we'll kind of move around. Yeah, so 5% move. So 290 to 370 in 5 days, basically. That's what's happening. There's a 16 rupee up move on Orient Cement. Actually, we should track Orient here on the screen. The Nifty heat map is also on your screen. And it is, I think, evenly split between sort of gainers and losers. And by the way, the market has moved up a little bit from the lows, and we're up about 15 or 16 points at this point. Surabhi.
So the transaction is happening at 395. I mean, Adanis are buying at 395. The stock currently, obviously, is still, there's a gap about at 369, 370. So there's that gap that the stock has been trying to fill, moving in the last couple of days as well. By the way, CG Power has recovered very nicely. Remember the 6% cut yesterday? This morning, it's up about 4.5%. So that's an interesting reaction. EPAC Durables, you just heard the management speak to us a while back on that high sense alliance, 5% up on EPAC Durables. City Union Bank is the stock of the morning, 8% higher because it's come out with pristine numbers, no complaints with growth, with asset quality provisions, nothing. And the market's really, really taking that with both hands. Ola Electric, there's a bit of a recovery as well, 3.5% higher, as it clarifies that it's apparently, the claim is it's settled about 99% of the consumer complaints. Those are the early newsmakers. Back to the large cap screen just to track the moves over here. Okay, on the upside, on the Nifty then, Bharti Airtel, Power Grid, Infosys, Ultratech Cement, Tech Mahindra. These are the names on the upside. There's Adani Ports. A little bit of, basically Reliance is also supporting, and there's a little bit of buying on the tech side, Tech Mahindra, Infosys. These are names on the upside, but on the downside, you've got Kotak Mahindra Bank still sulking, down about 1%. There's a Bajaj Auto cooling off after yesterday's 4% move. And SBI Life and HDFC Life, the life insurers, are starting the day on a quiet note. That's the split on the Nifty, very, very sort of soft out there. But, now it's about 30 points higher, 40 points higher. So let's see if the bulls can build on this.